This, I mean, I have one complaint, and this is how we treat our children, and I've of course lived about 10, 11 years abroad. You know, we seem to be very happy showing the most gruesome violence on screen to our children. You can see Singham, or you can see Rowdy Rathod, or you can see many such films. In slow motion, you can see bones being broken, blood being spilled, and that's fine. Kids can watch it. Nudity, even you as an adult legally are not allowed to see. You cannot make a film in India which has any nudity. You cannot see a breast, you cannot see a buttock, you cannot, I mean, not allowed even for adults, not okay. But violence, even for our kids, are fine. Whereas you would assume everybody in this room has either seen someone nude, I hope, or will see someone at some point in time. And hopefully none of us will ever have a moment of violence that we actually encounter. But we are happy to show one and not the other. I mean, how do you react to that? I mean,
yeah, I would not be comfortable actually seeing nudity on the screen and all that, and you're knowing that okay, this movie has a nude scene, and oh my god, my daughter's gone for that. But I definitely do want to say, stop showing all that violence.
okay.
You know, all the time in the same movies, no, this is how it happens, and you need to show it. You want to say no. You don't really need to go into all the gory details, all that blood and bones and all that, you know, picking up and smashing and a little exaggerated violence and all that. I am not comfortable with that, but I would also not be comfortable on screen with nudity. That's my mistake.
Well, I think, you know, my son tomorrow had a fight with someone which is a little violent. I'd help him sort it out. But if he comes with two girls and says, Mom, I need sex, I wouldn't accept it. So I think to some...
You know, Shubhra said that in violence you could show it more symbolic and rather than being so gruesome.
Like, not so much.
Yeah, but in the movies of the 70s, you know, just when the thing had to happen between the guy and the girl, they would show one male hand and one female hand doing this. And you had to understand what was happening. It was more like a wrestling match, you know, or they would show two birds or two flowers. Yeah. So the question that he actually asked is, you know, is it all right for us to show violence with our kids? I'm reminded of a nice anecdote which says we know Western influence has come into India when the wife comes running into the living room and tells the husband, darling, your kids and my kids have got together to beat up our kids. So, you know, so the sanctity of all this growing up, Dula Dulan, and getting married and everything, and things are changing. 65% of India is today young, let's face it. And the biggest encumbrances are the remaining 35%.
Yeah.
So the remaining 35%, either they have to become young like Mr. Nagpal. I mean, it's amazing. See, a father here and we are discussing. Or they have to make way for the younger generation. And I'm sure that while all of us are here, our kids are at home discussing whether we should see nudity in front of our parents.
Yeah.
And they must be having a similar group discussion. Correct. So yeah, we both know where it is, but we are discussing it individually.
I agree with him too.
It was interesting, especially what you said, because another question that comes to mind is that, you know, we are India. We are the land of the Kama Sutra.
This is the advent of all this information explosion, communication explosion, and because of this information explosion and communication explosion, there is a confusion explosion also. You know, when nobody knows whether we are coming or we're going. It's like teen sex, they say. Yeah. Everybody knows, you know, and nobody knows, and everybody says, I've done it. So I think that is what we are not prudish. It's only that we are not openly discussing it. And in forums like this, I think this itself is a proof that now we are accepting.